Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel GoFit with Arwa. Here is wishing all of you a wonderful 2024. I just want to take this moment to express my gratitude to you for following me on my Instagram channel, subscribing to my YouTube channel, and so many of your comments, likes, shares. It really means a lot to me because I really work hard to give quality content, to give content that is very informative, and to just really pass the knowledge of health and fitness to you, so you don't make the same mistakes that I had made, or you don't follow any fads or anything that is just not very healthy for you. I believe that health is not just about your weight, but it also means how you're feeling mentally, how you're feeling emotionally, how you're feeling just generally. All in all, you should be able to have a lot of energy, a lot of strength, and it is not just about the weight. So all of you who are following me on all my channels here on social media, I hope I was able to pass this message to you as well, and I hope you also focus on a lot of things other than just your weight. This year 2023 has had big changes for me. I moved countries, I changed the whole way I conduct my classes. Most of my classes are online now, and I have been connecting with so many different people now that I moved. So many people here from UK, from Canada, and just so many more people I've been able to connect with. So I'm so grateful for being able to make so many new friendships on social media as well. Whenever the new year starts, as kids we always used to make resolutions that I don't want to do this in my next year, or I want to do this. But as we grow older, we stop making resolutions. But this year 2024, here are 3 things that I am going to stop doing in 2024. The first thing is that I will stop comparing myself to others on the net. So I'm sure you know that whatever people show on social media, that is not their real life. There is a big difference between their real life and their real life. And a lot of times it happens that when I see other people's progress, or when I see that other people have so many followers, or they have so much of more engagement, I know it's very it's very petty, but I'm sure if you also make content on social media, you will be able to relate with this. A lot of times I get very carried away and I compare myself, and I'm going like deep down in that hole where I'm just comparing myself and putting all that negative thoughts in my mind. So this year I'm going to try that I just stop comparing myself with others, and instead of just comparing, I would bring all the negative thoughts. I would just work on taking inspiration from all of that and building positive thoughts in my mind and work on those positive thoughts as well. The second thing is that I would stop worrying so much. I know that constantly in my mind 24/7, I am thinking about GoFit, my members, their progress, my Instagram channel, my YouTube channel, and so much more. And I'm constantly looking at the numbers, the metrics, the engagement rates and all. I'm constantly thinking about what to do next with GoFit, how to do things that would benefit more to people who are following me, because I feel that I have a big responsibility on myself, that even if I have 10 followers, I want to make sure that the 10 followers that are following me are getting that adequate knowledge, getting the correct knowledge from me. So I'm always constantly worrying about that, on how to improve it. And although I think it is a good thing, because of this reason, I'm always able to bring good quality content. But in 2024, I will try to worry less and just try to enjoy social media, try to build more relationships. Actually, I have always been my authentic self on social media. I've never faked anything. I've showed things as they are, but sometimes, of course, things are not as same as they are on social media. So this is something that I would do in 2024, is that I would stop worrying so much. The third thing that I would do is work on my strength. So if you know my story, that when I started working out 10 years back, my only goal was to lose weight and get in that specific number on the scale, and because I was comparing myself to others, which again brings me back to my first point. But in 2024, even my goal actually in 2023 was to build more muscle, but because there was so much of travel, and so there were so many things that happened that I couldn't focus on it. But in 2024, I have made a full-on strength program for myself already, and I'm going to focus more on building strength. So my knees, my back, everything stays healthy. I am focusing more on building strength. So even after 10, 15 years, I am independent. I can do things on my own. I can bend, I can squat, I can do so much more. I am focusing on building strength. So everything else in my health also falls in its place, because if you have adequate strength, if you're doing strength training, you will not have excess weight. Your BMI will be healthy. everything else will be healthy as well. So this is one thing that I'm going to focus more on, is building strength. So these are 3 of my resolutions that I want to work in 2024, and I hope at least the first 2 you can also relate to and work on as well, and of course the strength as well, why not? And so I hope even you stop comparing yourself to others if you are, and stop worrying so much like I do about so many tiny things, and just let things go with the flow. Let me know in the comments below what are some of your fitness resolutions, or what are some things that you wanna make a change in your life as well. I really believe that every day is a new beginning, but because 2024, it's a new year and there's so many new changes coming, it's a really good way to start something that you were really procrastinating for a very long time. So it's a good way to bring those resolutions in place. So let me know in the comments below what your resolutions as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, subscribe our YouTube channel as well. And that's it for today. Happy 2024.